Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to limit decimal places in Google Sheets. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First thing you will have to do is to select the range where you want to limit your decimal places. So select the range. Once you have selected this range, just go up here to this top bar and you should see Decrease Decimal Places button and Increase Decimal Places button. As you can already guess, just by clicking on this, you will increase or decrease the decimal numbers like so in your document. So it is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.